ICD-10 CM JJ-10B Guidelines, page 049, part 3.
1. The alphabetic index and tabular list.
The ICD-10 CM is divided into the alphabetic index, an alphabetical list of terms and their corresponding code. And the second part is the tabular list, a structured list of codes divided into chapters based on body system or condition.
The alphabetic index consists of the following parts. The index of diseases and injury, the index of external causes of injury, the table of neoplasms, and the table of drugs and chemicals.
Right. So the index has 4 parts, right? Is diseases and injuries, which is the first one, external causes, neoplasms, and drugs and chemicals, right? And we also have this little graph here that explains the 4 parts which are here, right?
Yes.
This is the main part of diseases and injuries. This is the neoplasms, external causes, and drugs and chemicals, okay? So that is our little theory for today. Now we're going to do a problem. Ready, set, go. Okay, ICD-10 JJ-10A, page 363-11, and this is a level 1 exercise, and it reads like this.
Thoracoabdominal coarctation of aorta.
Okay, this is a thoracoabdominal coarctation of aorta. Now we are going to count to 3, so you can pause the video and give us the ICD-10 code for this diagnosis. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, the answer is Q25.1. Okay, if you got that, congratulations. You can go to the next video. If you didn't get it, let's give you a couple of tips. Or just one tip. Start with
coarctation aorta.
Coarctation, and then go to aorta and ignore the thoracoabdominal, right?
Yes.
There's no need to focus on the thoracoabdominal because you won't find it on the code book. So ignore that part. Now this graph explains to what coarctation is, right? This little thing, you see, this is the regular vessel, and when it gets narrowed like this, that's a coarctation. This narrowing of the vessel, that's a coarctation. So that's to have an idea of what it is, right?
Yes.
So now with this tip, you should be able to give us the path. Now you already know the answer, which is Q25.1, but now we're going to count to 3 so you can pause the video and give us the path to the answer. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the summary of the whole problem. This is a thoracoabdominal coarctation of aorta, that's the diagnosis. And there's only one code, and the code 1 through the index is found like this.
First you go to index.
Go to the index.
Then you go to coarctation.
Then you go to coarctation.
Then you go to aorta.
Then you go to aorta, and you get
Q25.1.
Q25.1. Okay, so that's the code that you get from the index. So now we're going to check this code in the tabular. So the code 1 through the tabular is found like this.
First you go to tabular.
Go to the tabular.
Then you go to Q25.
Then you start with the 3 first characters, which is Q25, and what is that?
Congenital malformations of great arteries.
Congenital malformations of great arteries. The aorta is one of the great arteries, so you're in the right path. So keep adding one more digit, right? The next digit will be 1, which is?
Coarctation of aorta.
Which is exactly what we need, right? So that's why there is an equal sign right there, and the answer is Q25.1. Okay? So that's our problem for today. So don't forget to visit our website and
also you could subscribe to us in YouTube by clicking here for our new medical coding videos.
Right, just click on the red rectangle that says subscribe, right? And what will they get?
We make up to 3 videos every day. ICD-10s, CPTs, all that is needed to pass the medical coding certification exams.
Right, so please don't forget to visit our website and subscribe to our videos. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye.